Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about a troubleshooting guide on the Beat Studio Pro sound cutting out. Now the first thing you need to do is to approve your Bluetooth connection. Your headphone communicates with using Bluetooth, and a Bluetooth signal can be interfered with or weakened in some situations. Your Bluetooth headphones might lose their connection more often with streaming audio than with content that is stored in your device. With your device within a few feet from you, try to listen to music or other audio content that is stored on your device. On iOS or Android device, open the Music app. On a Mac with Mac OS Catalina, open the Music app. On a Mac with Mac OS Mojave or earlier, or on PC, open iTunes, then play a song that does not have the download button next to it, or tap the download button to download the song. If your headphones maintain their connection without distortion during the test, then here are a couple of things that can help in other situations. Keep your iPhone or other device close to you so that no obstructions like walls or floors are between you and your device. If possible, move to a different place. In particular, move away from places with many people or a lot of Wi-Fi activity, poorly shielded cables, microwave ovens, and wireless speakers, or turn off the oven or speaker. If your headphones keep disconnecting, if you tested your headphones are as described in the previous section and audio keeps disconnecting or cutting in and out, unpair your headphones and then pair them again. So to unpair your headphones, tap Settings, then Bluetooth, then find the device you want to unpair and tap the I button. Tap Forget this device and restart your iPhone. To pair your headphones again, pair or connect your headphones again, find the instructions for your headphones and the device that you want to pair them with. And that's it. Thanks for watching.